Hi everybody, Simon here again from Cooper Strip Club, and today I'll be showing you how to strip lacquer off a mahogany table. 30-odd-year-old table. It's solid sapelli mahogany, weighs a ton. Our whole system is about no sanding, and the no sanding game is all based on the fact that the person that made this table sanded it, and the sanding is still there. We want to reuse it. Normally, stripping a turned leg is pretty much nightmare stuff, but this is easy as. You could use it on wardrobes, chest of drawers, all those sort of big wide surfaces. And we just wet scrub with the wool, and all the varnish, all the lacquer that's deep in the grain is all coming to the surface. So with the flusher, you're spraying and you're scrubbing at the same time. You're not putting it on like the stripper and leaving it. The wet look is the finished look. If it looks good wet, then that's to be trusted. So technically, we're done. And you just feel this grain, just like silk. And everybody likes silk. Cooper's, the stripper that gets it off every time.